Hello, hi friends. I hope you all are very good, and I am also very good here. So today I am going to discuss with very important topic, that is English. How we will communicate and how we will speak in English. What is the key point there? So you all know that before 3 months I was not able to speak in English because I was very poor in English, and also I faced a lot of the problem due to English communication skill. So today I am going to share my life history before 3 months, what is the key point and what I did follow. That's reason nowadays I am able to talk, I am able to speak in English. You all know that before so many video I uploaded in English, totally in English. So what is the reason behind it? The reason is very simple. Before 3 months, I searched a lot of the application, a lot of the on YouTube or different social media, because it means that time I had a biggest problem is English, and I started my journey for the English, how I will speak in English. So I started to search different application, and yeah, as you, so many teacher met me and they told me, if you want to speak in English, so firstly complete your grammar portion, read a lot of the vocabulary, and this that those different type. If you want to complete, if you want to speak English, so firstly you should complete the course. So many social media, so many video is available. After 6 months, after 1 year, after 7 months, you are able to speak English, you will be speaking English if you will complete this course. But it's my heart request to all, brother, English is not a subject, English is a language, and language demand the practice. Without practice you can't, yeah, definitely you couldn't speak in English. It is right. So this is the language, and language make the demand, and language demand the practice. Okay, so what we should do, what what we should do, the reason is that practice and listening. You can take the example, you in your childhood, who taught you about the basic grammar of Hindi and any native language? In the childhood you were started the journey, you were started the beginning, like papa, mummy, and you had no idea about the Hindi grammar, but you were able to speak in Hindi. So it is also English. So start to communicate with the people. In the beginning time, definitely you will make a mistake in the beginning of the talking with the people, but day by day, definitely you will enhance your communication skill. So English is practice. English speaking is totally and totally practice and listening. So you should listen some podcast nowadays in YouTube, everything is available. So you should follow some channel, and you should follow some news channel. So many news channel is available in English. Every day they make a video in English. And also, if your hobby, if you watch movie, then you should watch movie in English. You should watch interview, you should watch podcast. So definitely it's enhance your communication skill. And the biggest thing is practice. You start your journey, you start to speak with the people, those who are speaking English. Yeah, I know in our society, in India, so many places students are facing problem due to, in that place no one is speaking English. There are no environment of English like me. I am from Jharkhand and I am from Pramu district. So in Pramu district, in my society, no one is speaking English. So that's reason I faced a lot of the problem. So before 3 months, I started to search the people, and so many people meet me and they suggest me a lot. That's reason today I am here and today I am able to speak in English. So many my friend, so many my elder meet me and they told me a lot of the thing, keep point for the English. I had a problem that my teacher told me firstly complete your grammar, but so many people told me. And also I my experience is very simple. No need more and more grammar portion and no need more and more vocabulary. If you have some vocabulary, you have idea about the some vocabulary, you have idea about the some tenses rule and some model and some, it means if you completed your 12th and uh, 10th, so definitely you should have a knowledge of grammar, simple grammar. So definitely you will be able to speak in English. Yeah, it's only for the practice, it's totally depend on the practice. And if you want to do something, then discipline, dedication and hard work, 3 point is very necessary. Discipline, dedication and hard work, it's make you perfect. It will be help you a lot. Yeah, after 3 months I am very happy. It means nowadays we celebrate na Vijaya Dashmi. So Vijaya Dashmi is totally related to good over evil, burai pe jeet. But in my life, in my body, the main Ravan was English communication skill. I had a lot of the fear. How I will communicate with the people, how I will speak English, how I will crack the interview. So a lot of the fear. So I I made me as a perfect way. I follow all the instruction of my elder and I did a lot of the practice, and practice helped me a lot. Nowadays also I am also not as a advanced level English speaker. I am not saying I am very perfect, but I am good, because before 3 months I was very poor. I was not able to speak single word. I was not able to speak front of the camera, front of the any people. But today I am able to speak. You can also watch a lot of the my video. Some days ago, I uploaded a lot of the video in English, totally and totally in English. So I am very happy. In within conversation, in within making a video, within talking, I made a mistake. On this time also, I guess I make a mistake. I will mistake. But after 2 months, after 3 months, definitely I will become a perfect English speaker. So it's only depend on the practice. So also it's a very thank you, those people help me a lot. Yeah, it is right. So those are student I know, so many person meet me and they told me I am facing a lot of the problem due to English communication skill. I am losing my job. I am not able to get better job. I have a degree, but due to English communication skill I am not able to get the better job. I am not able to communicate with the people. Suddenly, yeah, we can take the example. You are very interested to travel foreign country. In foreign country, people, yeah, definitely people will be speaking English. Yeah. So how we will communicate with them? It is necessary na, if you want to visit, so definitely you have idea. And if you are nowadays also, if you want to get better qualification in high level, higher qualification, then definitely English is very necessary everywhere. English is everywhere. I talked with a lot of the IT sector student, NEET student, JEE student. It means everyone says that, okay, we will complete our degree, then I will get my job, I will get my job. But so many person are facing problem. He has a degree, better degree, but due to lack of communication skill, they are not getting better job. They are not clear the interview. The reason is that English communication skill. So definitely I don't want to suggest you, because I am example front of you. Because you all know that in my society is very, it means no one speak, no one meet you, no one my friend, no one my elder who are speaking English. But by the practice, by the tried, I by the searched, I searched a lot, and so many better friend meet me. That's reason today I'm able to speak in English. So I am going to say some point. If you want to speak in English, then read some book, English book. Follow YouTube sub channel, and in YouTube so many video is available like podcast, interview, and you watch English news channel. So many guys uploaded video in English every day. And if you want to watch movie, then it is also help you a lot. You should watch English movie. But one thing is practice. You will start the journey to talk with the people. You will start the journey to talk with the people. It means talk with different type of the people who are speaking English. You visited that place, there is a people visiting and who is speaking English. So try to speak. It means I, for my case, I did follow only to speak with the people. It helped me a lot. It helped me a lot, and I am very good. Within 3 months, it's my dedication, it's my discipline and hard work, and by the practice, nowadays I am able to speak with anybody. I am able to make a video with any specific topic. If you will watch me, and if I will saw in Hindi, and definitely I will translate in English. Yeah, I, it means in my video, it means sometimes I confuse that. That's reason. The reason is that I am not remembering that thing. I translate it. I, it means I didn't think more and more. I want to apply it. So this is because of the practice. So practice helped me a lot, and I suggest you, and I don't want to advise you. So only I want to say something, that is, be practice, because in this era English is everywhere. English is very necessary. Communication skill is very necessary for the job purpose, for the interview purpose, for the any purpose. English is very important everywhere. So I hope you understood all the thing. Thank you. Bye bye. Best of luck.